Hello, my name is Klaus Zellmer. I'm the CEO of Škoda Auto in the Czech Republic. I was here at MCI with the honor to give a presentation about our transformation plan for Škoda into a digitalized and electrified future. My first tip for you is stay curious, stay engaged, stay energized, and make sure you change this world to the better. My second tip is about culture. There's a very famous saying that culture eats strategy for breakfast, and this is why culture is so important. Now, what is culture? Culture is the individual behavior of every single one added together. So we share the responsibility, and a good culture will provide good things.